Processing transactions with multi-entity management in Business Central allows seamless handling of intercompany transactions, allocations, and consolidations across multiple entities. For doing a journal entry, there is always an originating company code in the header of the journal. This will default to the lines, but the value is easily changed if needed. For the lines in this example, one will be the same as the header, and the other is different. The first column shows the company code it will post to. The transactions show the due from transactions that will post. In this example, we added an allocation template to allocate by 50, 30, and 20% to different companies. The value will go to the lines. Once again, the first column shows the company that is being posted to, and the GL accounts for posting the due froms. In this example, for a purchase document, the company is different in the header from the lines. The first column shows the company posting. The entries also include the due from. For this purchase document, an allocation template was added in the header. The code will default to the lines. The allocation will create all the needed lines for the transaction and due from. Interested in learning more? Speak with one of our experts to explore how Dynamics 365 Business Central can drive efficiency that's scalable, sustainable, and built to last.